I heard dinner's at my place. On tonight's menu, we have an air-fried jerk salmon Rasta pasta that's gluten-free and it's high in protein while using minimal dairy and tasty. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have our salmon. I washed it with some water and vinegar, and now I'm just pat drying it to take off the excess water. And I am going to skin this. So since I got this in the pack, it came with the skin on, but if you can get this with the skin off, that would make life really easy. Let me see if I can peel this off. Okay, so it's peeling. Okay, so I was able to take everything off except for this, and best believe I'm gonna take this off too. Salmon ain't cheap. This little slice is about 1 to 2 bites. Every bite counts. Okay, so here we have our salmon washed and skinned, and now I'm just gonna cut this into 3 even pieces. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Some paprika. Some Lawry seasoning salt. Some Jamaican jerk seasoning. And now I'm gonna add some olive oil. So here's our salmon nicely seasoned, and now we're going to put it on aluminum foil. So here's the tray for my air fryer. I'm going to line it with some aluminum foil. So now I'm gonna pop this into the air fryer on 350. Okay, so now I have some peppers, and then I have 1 carrot, and I'm just going to slice these up into thin enough pieces. So I have the pan on medium heat, and now I'm just going to add in some olive oil. So now I'm going to add in my veggies. So now I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm also just going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, so I should have been done this, but now I'm going to start the water for the pasta. And I'm just going to salt it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the veggies out because I still want them to have a bit of a crunch to it and I don't want them to be dead. And also we're gonna get started on the sauce. So now I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of butter. So now I have some coconut milk. You can feel free to use dairy, but I try to limit it as much as possible. So now I'm just gonna add this. And then I have some Walker's hot and spicy jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of that. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna add a little more jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add some Lawry seasoning salt. Some garlic powder. Now I have some chickpea penne pasta that's gluten-free and it's high in protein, so I'm just going to add that in. Now I have some Parmesan cheese. At this point, I did reduce the heat to low just to get everything to simmer and melt, you know, properly without burning. Now I'm gonna add these back in. Now I'm gonna add the noodles into the pot. Here is the final result of the pasta. Tastes really good, and you can feel free to season to your liking, but so far what I did, I think it's pretty tasty. So here is our salmon and it's looking delicious. I'm gonna try this small piece. Yeah, this is delicious. And it has a nice crunch to it, but it's still soft. Wow. Y'all, my mouth is literally watering as I'm grabbing my fork. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more.